Dear parents, I hope you and your family are doing well. We know that an engaged learning process helps the child to grasp the concept well, as it involves performing physical activities or tasks where they learn by doing things and by reflecting on the experience gained. These activities could range from field activities to hands on experiments and anything that involves the child both physically and mentally. Such activities, if planned well, have the ability to promote interdisciplinary learning, cultural awareness, leadership, and other professional and intellectual skills among the students. We at GIS acknowledge this fact and believe in experiential learning, for which we ensure that our students are constantly engaged in activities and tasks that aid holistic development and develop future relevant skills in them. Teachers of GIS are the future makers who make the learning process for the students interactive and wholesome. Be it online or offline mode of education, our teachers have aced the art of enriching young minds with the help of some finest and award-winning teaching methodologies and curriculum that not only prepares them to master their academics, but co-curricular and extracurricular as well. The month of May was indeed a month of reflecting back for us, as the focus was on making improvements in areas that needed attention and reconditioning. Beside the teachers taking several trainings to learn new technologies and soft skills, the attention was on preparing for a structured restart to the academic session that resumes mid of this month. Parent engagement was another agenda that was the main focus of the month. The idea was to support our parents who have been juggling between work and raising children at home, all by themselves due to the pandemic. A series of webinars has been therefore introduced, and first one was conducted for the parents to help them with some tips that they could practice with their children and move towards the path of positive parenting. We will keep organizing more such webinars on pertinent subjects like these in future as well. Another interactive session was also organized to get suggestions and feedback from parents across segments. It was a one-to-one interaction that gave us an opportunity to interact with parents and make note of new ideas and suggestions that naturally poured in during the discussion. It was indeed a constructive interaction, as parents were able to speak their minds and share their thoughts directly. I'm glad to share that the online classes and the way teachers have been conducting the classes were highly appreciated by the parents. So, thanks for your constant encouragement and support. We have also recently introduced GIIS Knowledge Cafe, a series of short educational videos that outlines tips and suggestions on the pertinent problems parents and students have been facing due to the pandemic. In this series, our experienced teachers will be sharing their tried and tested solutions on topics that will help create a positive atmosphere at home for the child to thrive and for parents to become more patient and nurturing. You can watch these informative videos on our YouTube and Facebook channels. And not just these videos, you will also be able to explore a plethora of other relevant updates about school activities, student achievements, and many other engaging events and webinars that we keep doing on a regular basis. So like, subscribe, and follow us on our social media channels to get the latest updates about everything we do at GIIS Noida. Combining our best educational practices and innovative teaching methodologies, GIIS is all set to take the next generation learning of its students up by a notch this year. Apart from the new infrastructure, the newly designed pedagogies will offer the students a 360-degree learning experience and boost their skill sets in many ways. Lastly, with the hope that everything comes back to normal soon, I wish you all a safe time. Please stay indoors, stay positive, and most importantly, stay safe. Thank you so much.